I love coming to work every day. I love looking forward to my coworkers.
I've been a therapist for 24 years and I decided to come here because I like how they treat us as employees. They care.
Everybody who I've worked with has worked here for many years. It's kind of a place where you come and stay and retire. So it's kind of like a family-oriented place.
I think it's rewarding to be a respiratory therapist and take care of patients in ways that you would your family members.
A typical day in the life of a respiratory therapist, as you come in the morning and you get report from the shift that's leaving, you get the report from them, and then I go out and I start my therapy, and I might have anywhere from 10 to 20 patients a day that I see.
I feel like it's rewarding. I mean, you have your sick patients and they lose their breath, we give it back. We are their second set of lungs.
Community really is a family, like the name and what it stands for, the pride values. We really are a family and they stand behind you with what you do.
We come from all different backgrounds and we respect each other and our backgrounds, and we all mesh well together.
The nurse practitioners, the doctors, the NPs, they all are wonderful to work with.
I'm comfortable with asking questions and making sure that the patient is safe and we're doing everything that we need to do.
I do feel like a part of a team and not just a therapist that just comes in and does their job. I feel like I am part of a team when it comes to patients.
The reason I think a person should work here is the treatment of how they treat us as employees. They care, they're compassionate, they're respectful. We're all like a family, and that's an environment I will always want to work in.
I've never thought about leaving, looking for another hospital system to go work at, because I've always been fulfilled working for community.
I would say yes, you should absolutely apply. Even if you're not too sure, come in and shadow somebody and see how you like it, and you can determine from there how our camaraderie is and how we value each other.
I love working for community because I really feel like they really do care about their employees. I wouldn't be here as long as I have been if they didn't treat me the way that they treat me. I do feel like my voice matters, my opinion matters, and I get that from the doctors, from managers, from coworkers, and it's just, I get that from everywhere. So I will never leave community.